Y'all, the moment has finally come. Finally. My new RGB headlights for the Charger. Finally. Y'all are gonna help me put these in. Let's get it. Bro, if you know me, you know that this has been a long time. This has been overdue for some time now. I was supposed to have been did this. You know what I'm saying? This was supposed to be done months ago. But guess what? We finally about to get it done. Let's go ahead and start it. Just to give everybody a run through, this is my 2016 Dodge Charger RT. One of my headlights, one of my daytime running lights is out. I think it's my passenger side. Daytime running light is out. My headlights work, but the halos around the outside, one of them is out, and it just looks ugly. So I said, if I'm gonna upgrade it, why not get the RGB, color changing headlight? So we about to go ahead and install that. So starting off, it's gonna be 12. Let me get out the way of the sun. It's gonna be 12 of these little plastic push pins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? And then on this side, you gotta cut the wheel, but on each side, I don't know if you can see it because of the glare, but it's a push pin right here, it's a push pin right here, and it's a push pin right here, and then 2 in the back. And you gotta cut the wheel to get there, and then you can pull this fender wall back and get to the screw, which is 1, 2, 3, and then same thing on the other side, and then the whole bumper will come off. And then from there, each housing unit has a screw here, 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 here. So each headlight has 4 screws in it. Take those screws off and then unplug the fuse in the back, or the connector in the back, and that should be it. So let's go ahead and get this started. So now we took all the clips out. So all the clips have been taken out, right? And then this right here, this will just pop out too, boom. So now that pops out, right? There goes all of our clips right there. Next step is to cut the wheel and tackle the fender walls. All right, y'all. After 2 hours of struggling to get to these bolts, we finally got the bumper off. Now the easy part, take the 4 screws out. You got 1 screw right here, 1 screw right there, and then 2 screws at the bottom. Let's knock it out. All right, so we got 1 headlight out. Now it's time to get this one out. And there we have it. Second headlight is out. Now we can put in the new ones and see if they work. And just like that, both of the headlights are in. Let's do a test to see if they work. Both bulbs are on. Yup. Both bulbs are on. Yup. We're good to go, baby. Good money. Now, only thing that we got to do is go ahead and reassemble it, put the bumper back on, put all the the plastic pins back where they go, and we are done. All right, we got all of the plastic pins put back in the radiator cover. Now, the only thing that we have to do is reassemble the fender wall right here. All we got to do is reassemble this, connect the side markers, and then do the same thing on the other side, and we're done. All right, y'all, so there we have it. We went on ahead and reassembled everything. Everything is back in place. All the pins are back. Let's see if they work. That's a good sign. And yup, they both work. So now I'm going to download the app, and probably not right now, but later on tonight, I will show y'all the RGBs once I have the app downloaded. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I hope this helped anybody. And yeah, dude, I will holler at y'all in the next video. Peace. All right, y'all, this is later on that night. Y'all can see it's raining. It's pouring, actually. But yeah, bro, the headlights work. I'm gonna snatch off those yellow fog lights and go back to the original white just to make it match better. But yeah, bro, I'm completely satisfied with my purchase. Yeah, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Look at that thunder and that lightning. But yeah, man. that's gonna do it for this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.